Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thompson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise me if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right. Surface wind 060 degrees at 5.
That's all understood, sir. What we are doing is heading in a northwesterly direction. We'd like to establish on the inbound radial 084 towards Wallasey, climb to 3,500 feet, and then we will advise you of our intentions.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. You may do that 3,500 feet, 084 radial towards Wallasey, and keep me advised if you wish further climb.
Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Yankee 1 into 6 right.